So this is how you install this kind of adapter to this kind of radio. There are different radio and CD player models, and I have yet to find a video explaining how to install it into this kind of one. So this is the CD changer port, and it's the same kind of connector you see here, but if you plug this in, I'll show you, you end up with a radio that doesn't do anything. So how do we take care of that? You need to connect these two wires that are already in place at the same time you connect this adapter. So first we're gonna take this old adapter off. This is my way of doing it. This makes it easier. And then I have these regular jumper wires for like DIY electronics and stuff. And you take the adapter and these two wires that are behind this clip, they are the same ones that are there. You look inside and you see that there's like a, you take a look at a purple wire, there's a little hole next to the wire, and you try to put this little pin inside the hole. I can film it while I do it, but I'll show you when it's done. Yeah, it's a bit tricky to get in, but you make sure that it stays in firmly. Yeah. Okay, now I put both of them in. And then you see the two pins or two holes that are occupied, and you put the jumper cables to those two pins, the corresponding pins. Like that. And this connection is a bit loose. You see they come off pretty easily. So I'll probably reinforce this connection with hot glue or something else. Oh, sorry. And then you put the connector in. If you need to get it out, just put something like this and take it out gently so you don't break it, but this makes it a lot easier. It's quite tight. But anyways, it's good now. And now the buttons are working again. Maybe this works. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's working. So there I reinforced these connections so they don't come off. I could reinforce these ones as well, but I'll trust they will hold. And next I think I'll place this chunk and the extra cables in. There's like a little space down here, like right down from here. There's some empty space here. I'm gonna shove that box over there, and then on the right here there's a hole, so you can see my hand coming here. I think I'll pull the cable out from this way. And now you should be getting this kind of display. If you don't, try pressing this twice, might help. But now it should be working. And you see the cable is coming right down under from there, and no ugly boxes around. And let's play. And it's working. I'll leave some links down in the description so you can find the parts. Thank you.